has a humid climate, humidity has become an important angle for studying cities. We drew a humidity map of Derry based on the data and used the depth of red to represent the humidity of the city. While drawing the humidity, we processed the place with the highest humidity in Derry to form a figure with boundaries. According to the eco-salad studied earlier, we collected different plants in each place in Derry. Plants are also a reflection of humidity, so how to combine the two? We use the soap print method of plants to combine plants with humidity. In the fluidity of water and soil, plants can present different shapes, and there are indelicate structures on paper. According to the distribution of plants in various places in eco-salad, plants in different areas will be collected and placed on the table. Prepare a piece of absorbent paper, soak the plants in the mud. Water brought back from Derry for a while and put them on the paper. When all the plants are placed, cover the paper with another piece of paper and press it with a heavy object. Make sure that the plants will form a plant soak print on the paper. According to the distribution of plants, we extract the plant imprints in the soak print on the humidity map. According to the degree of humidity, adjust the coloring depth of the plants on the humidity boundary map. Draw a known visualization that integrates the relationship between plants and humidity. This map contains information about plant distribution and humidity, forming some more interesting boundaries on the map. Based on NV2, NV3 is the territorial combination of eco-salad, oak and ocean territories that thrive on land and water. These growing territories echo the design of University of Derry. Based on soap print, the research explores the three distinct territories: central, in between, and soft, and their influence on the urban fabric. Based on the previous process, each college at the University of Derry can use the soap print pattern to form the architectural form and interior space. This process also reflects the influence of eco-salad on the architecture through the wet soap print. The 7 colleges at the University of Derry are located throughout the city, according to information provided by NV3. Each college features eco-salad and soak print elements in both its interior and exterior design. As global temperatures continue to rise, sea levels slowly rise, and the River Foyle will eventually overflow Derry's borders. In bogside, a low-lying area where history and water intersect, water begins to slowly seep into and disintegrate the city's former fabric. In this increasingly flooded city, the University of Derry begins to grow. It is no longer a collection of solid, enclosed buildings, but an ecological organization based on eco-salad. Like the branches of a plant, it unfolds from the flooded streets, adapting to fluctuating water levels. In the future, Derry will no longer be the Derry of the past, but a new urban fabric imbued with plants and ecology. The college floor plan begins with a stain, a soaked print where pigment and humidity meet. Blurred patches become classrooms, fine textures trace corridors, and soft curves suggest spaces to read, rest, or gather. The elevation is alive. Ceramic tiles echo the flow of ink and water, suspended gently, allowing mist and light to pass through. Plants live in the wall, ferns, moss, air roots, filtering, participating. This is not just architecture, it is climate, structure, and life, all in one rhythm. At the river's edge, the college does not sit, it floats. The building grows like moss, breathes like leaves, rooted in water, memory, and light. Inside, the building breathes moisture. A green atrium holds the center. Plants circulate water, vines climb walls, and soaked prints shape how light enters rooms. When the River Foyle's flood waters spread once again, the people of this land returned to the place they belonged. In the ecological courtyard, fish swam slowly in the water, while young students found a moment of rest. The second floor space offered a perfect place for leisure, where children played, and if you had a guitar, you could strum its strings.